Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete a group on the DrawNames. Now, if you want to delete the groups on the DrawNames app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the DrawNames app on your device. So if you have not installed the DrawNames app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app, and here you'll see the option which says Celebration, Gift Finder, Wish List menu and all. Now you just need to go on your groups or my draws. So click on the option of menus, and here you'll see the option of my celebrations, which is also known as your draws. So currently I'm on that celebration, so I just need to go back to the celebration page, and here you'll see the celebration which I've created, and at the very top right you'll see the option of settings. So click on it, and here you'll see the option of change the event date, change the gift amount, change celebration venue and all of it. But at the very bottom you'll see the option that says delete celebration, which is highlighted on red. So click on it, and it says, are you sure you want to delete this celebration? So by deleting this, you'll also delete the group, which is also known as the celebration on the DrawNames app, and click on the option of yes, delete if you want to delete. But if you don't want to, click on the option of no, cancel to cancel. So that's it. That's how you can delete a group on the DrawNames app. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.